Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR750S 2-channel installed on a Mercedes C-Class 2018. The Blackvue DR750S 2-channel camera has the main camera usually installed in the front windshield. Second camera in most cases installed in the rear windshield facing out, but can be installed also on the side if needed. All the wiring are going through the factory liner. Make sure there's no wires visible, nothing that you can see. Everything clean and nice. Same as the front camera, goes through the liner on the ceiling, goes to the A-pillar and disappears in the back of the dash. We installed in this case the Power Magic battery pack, the B112 from Blackvue. The battery pack is basically like a separate battery, and as soon as you turn the car off, it disconnects from the vehicle and still runs the camera. So that way the cameras are recording while the car is parked, monitoring the vehicle, but they do not draw any power from the vehicle. So that way you don't have to worry about not having the battery in the car, not be able to start in the morning. The wires are all hidden and nice and clean. We don't have any connections in the fuse box. We don't use any fuse adapters, or I even saw some people that are pulling the fuse, just putting a wire and pushing the fuse back. Those things are really don't look good, but they're also not good for the vehicle. They can make power surges. They can have a lot of issues, those connections. So everything should be done properly, soldered, nice and clean. The battery pack in this case is hidden because the customer did not want to see it, but it can be installed externally. As you see, it has 2 more USBs that can allow you to charge other devices. The dashcam installations and for other products, you can always visit us at Car System Installation. Please click on our left corner to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.